Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to look at is exercise order. Now this may sound super obvious, but there's more than one way to do this, so I just wanted to touch on all ways that we may be using so there's no confusion. Okay, so starting with the first one. Now this is called a vertical setup. Now when you see your workouts written, every exercise is going to have a number and a letter. Now for a vertical setup, you would do your first exercise, complete the reps, complete the sets, before moving on to the next exercise. Again, complete the reps and sets, move on to the next, and finally the next. Yeah, so super easy, nice and simple. Now the next one you may see, this is a pairing system. Now this is where you would complete your first exercise. You would move straight on to the second, then you take your rest, and then you go back to the start and complete again for the given sets and given reps. Once you've completed that series, then you would move on to the next, complete in that order and go back to the start. Okay, so that's pairing system. The third one you might see is what's called a tricep. Similar to the pairing, complete your first exercise, move on to the second, finally your third, rest, and then go back to the start and complete for the given sets and reps, and then you'd move on to your second series. And finally is what's more of a circuit style training, similar fashion to the other two. Complete your first exercise, move on to the second, move on to the third, and then finally your fourth exercise, then you would rest, and then go right back to the start and complete that for the given sets and reps. All right guys, so that's exercise order. Super simple, but very important that you stick to that order of the exercises that you're doing as you move through this program.